Meaning of headband.
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 Headband. A headband is a type of accessory worn on the head. It typically consists of a band made of fabric or plastic that fits around the forehead and holds back hair or other items from the face. Headbands can come in a variety of styles and designs, including solid colors, patterns, and embellishments like jewels or flowers. They are often used as a fashion statement or as a functional accessory during sports or exercise to keep sweat out of the eyes. Overall, a headband is a versatile and useful item that can add both style and functionality to any outfit.